Positive crankcase ventilation system on a small block Chevy running girdles. Now there's no room inside the valve covers to install oil separators in there. So what I did is I put one of these oil separators right here, ran it up into the breather so the motor would pull vacuum through here going towards the valve cover. And then what I did is I ran a PVC valve off of manifold vacuum, and it runs up to here and it goes into this Moroso oil separator catch can type deal. And here's your PVC valve. I just there's a I think it's a 1/2-inch pipe thread in here, NPT, and I just siliconed a PVC valve in there. And then this is a Moroso a valve cover oil separator breather catch can. So I'm applying vacuum here, pulling blow by or whatever through here, back into the fuel system, evacuating the crankcase with positive pressure. And then any oil that gets in here will drain back down as the things go on. You don't have no catch can you got to drain or anything. So if you're streeting the truck around, you don't have to worry about overfilling a catch can or something like that. You get on the highway for an hour, you got to pull over and drain the catch can or whatever. It'll all run right back down into the valve cover. And this is just fastened to the valve cover. Thread it to the valve cover. Alright, thanks for watching.